So today I'm going to show you guys how my husband and I make our green juice in the morning. Sometimes it's the morning, sometimes in the afternoon, and sometimes it gets to be like nighttime if we still haven't drank it, so we'll do it at any time during the day. So lo que usamos es 2 pepinos, 2 cucumbers, 2 celery, 2 apios, una zanahoria, 2 apples, and usually a lemon. Usualmente es un limón, pero como no había un limón amarillo, pero como no había, vamos a usar un limón verde. Y esta es la máquina que usamos, que la compré en Amazon. Creo que costó como 40 pesos, or like 50. That's the one we use to do our juice, and we do this every day. Lo hacemos todos los días. And we use this amount for 2 people, and it's enough to drink like a full glass each of us. So we'll show you now. So okay, let me show you guys. I have already peeled the cucumber, the carrot. I peeled the lime, cut it in half. I washed the apples and cut them in 4s. And I washed the celery and cut out the little tips. And now we're just gonna put it through the juicer and drink our juice. This is all we use. So I'm gonna start by putting in the cucumber. I cut it in 2. Sometimes I'll cut it in 4 if it's too big. So then you just top it with the thing. I'm trying to do it by myself because Eric's outside doing something else. So we just put the top on it like that. And then you put it. And then you give it a little help. And there it goes. And I'm going to do that with all the cucumber. And then so I just did the second cucumber. Look how much we already got. And I'm going to do the rest. Now I'm doing the apples. I'll put it in 2 and I'll push it down on it. There you go. There you see it. Okay. Ahora voy a poner la otra manzana y el resto de los vegetales. So I cut my celery down a little bit. Corté un poquito el apio. To make it easier in the machine more than anything. It doesn't really, you don't have to, but I do it anyways. And I gotta wash the little piece that fell on the floor. Just did the lime now. Y ya por último, last thing we're going to add is the carrots, la zanahoria, lo último que vamos a agregar. Lo pongo en 2 porque es un poquito más dura. La ayudas con la mano. Esta. So yeah, we're all done, juicy. So this is how it looks. Ooh, sorry. This is how it looks. And I'm just going to mix it now. Okay. And it's super refreshing, super nutritious. Like, even if you're not like a big vegetable or fruit eater, you know that you're getting this every day through juice. The juice is yummy. It doesn't need anything. We do not add any sweeteners to it, just literally natural sweetener from the apple. And I love it. And I know it's called green juice, but we ran out of kale, so it's looking a little more orange with the carrot. The carrot will sometimes add a lot of green to it, since the carrot comes out very dark green. So that's how it looks. I promise you guys will love it. It's just refreshing, and you know you're getting a bunch of good stuff, you know, into your system. Whether you like to eat veggies or not, you already getting them in there. Like, I'm the type of person that I never, ever, ever eat celery. I don't like it. But in the juice, I don't mind it. So I know that I'm doing something good for myself. And not having to eat like a big-ass plate of salad or anything. So that helps. And my husband is super, duper, whooper picky. He will not put a vegetable or fruit in his mouth. But he will drink this, no problem. He loves it. Alright, so I am going to use my Garaba mugs. It's the only thing that I have 2 of. So... and I'm just going to serve it. So I try to make it as even as possible. Yep. So a little bit more for this one, a little bit more for this one, and there you guys go. We are ready to drink it. And I drink mine with a straw. So this is it. And then all the Everything that I peeled, plus all the stuff that came out, we put it on our compost bin for our garden, for our vegetable garden. So here you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye.